Bonjour tout le monde. Alors, this is the second part of the lesson, les sons. In the first part of les sons, we learned the sounds of the alphabets from the letter A to Z. In this video, we are going to learn the sounds which are more complicated. For example, if two words are together, what will be the sound? If three words, three vowels, sometimes if they are together, what will be the sound? Alors, so we start. On commence. Le son est l'école. École. École. Écrire. Écrire. Un évier. Évier. Un évier. Évier. Écouter. 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 So keeping the same sound in your mind. Now there are other ways as well to say the same sound. For example, if the word is ending in EZ or ER, if at the end of a word or a verb there are these letters EZ or ER, their sound would be A. For example, manger, manger. Un nez. Aller. Écouter. Then this one also we covered in the previous lesson, the sound A. For example, le père, la mère, le frère, la règle, règle, les lèvres. So, the same sound, A sound with the grave accent, that A sound, that sound we get with these letters as well. If A and I they are together or EI are together, the sound would be A. For example, un balai, une craie, le lait, la baleine, les sound, baleine, la neige, neige, balai, craie, lait, baleine, neige. A sound, l'aîné, aimer, aider. Sometimes AI they give the sound A instead of A. Like if it is coming in the beginning of the word, it often gives the sound A, aîné, l'aîné, aimer, aider. D'accord? Ok? D'accord? Alors, on, the sound on sound. Alors, an, on, en, and sometimes em also, they give the sound on. Par exemple, for example, blanc, blanc, la montre, le temps, entendre, 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 encore. So that sound is not that complicated. Whenever there is an, on, en, and the em, they are together, the sound would be on. O, the sound O, that we get with the letter AU or EAU. For example, autour, autour, jaune, le gâteau, le bateau, le château. Sh, sh sound. In French, ch sound does not exist. So many students, when they are learning, when it is the beginning, they often say coche, chante. It doesn't exist in French. Ch sound, there is no. We always give, it always gives this sound. Sh, cocher, chanter, le chocolat, le choix. Gne, n, y, gne. Gn, the letter Gn, when they are together, the letters, it gives the sound gne. Ga, gne, gagne. And the er, when they are together, we have seen it in this video in the beginning, the sound of er, it would be a. So we say ga, gne, a, gagne. La, mon, on sound we have seen. Mon, ta, ne, montagne, montagne. La, comme, pa, ne, la campagne. Souligne, souligne, souligne. The sound in, un, ain or ein, they all give the sound in. For example, lapin, lapin, brun, pain, train, peinture. Le lapin, brun, lapin, le train, la peinture, peinture, peinture. Wa, the sound is wa. Often the students, they do the mistake here, they always say oiseau, like the first word oiseau, yeah, oiseau or oisio, but it is wrong. The sound of oi is wa, loi, zo. As we have seen that sound of the letter s, it becomes z when it comes between two vowels. So you see here I before s and e after s. Here it gives the sound z because it is between two vowels, I and e, two vowels. So s is between two vowels, the sound would be z. L'oiseau, boire, histoire. It is not histoire. Remember, in previous lesson, we did that letter h. The sound of the letter h, the letter h, is mute. So we say is, toi, histoire. Le choix. The last letter is silent. The sound of ch, sh, we have seen before. Le choix, le roi, roi, le roi. Ou, the sound ou. That is pretty simple. OU, it is together. It will give the sound OU. Rouge, rouge. La poule, la bougie. Le four, four. The sound EU and OE together. It is joined. There is no space. This one, it gives the sound For example, par exemple, le feu, feu, du beurre, beurre, porc, la sœur, l'œuf, o, f, l'œuf. Oui, the sound is oui. Du bruit, le fruit, la nuit, la pluie. I, I-double-L-L-E, it gives the sound y most of the time. In most of the cases, it gives the sound y. For example, la fille, la famille, la vanille, le papillon, brillant. And in few cases, it gives the sound il. For example, la ville, mille, tranquille. Okay, here I want to clear one thing. Sometimes you see that there is that small article before some words, and before some words we are not putting the articles. It is just because of the noun. When it is a noun, we have to put one article. I made a separate video on articles. Here we are doing only the sounds. That's why I'm not going in too much detail. But if you want to learn about French articles, I made a separate video. I will put the link in the description. You can see it. You can watch that recording. Okay? Alors, on continue. We continue. Ien. The sound is ien. Viens. Le chien. The sound ch we have seen before. Chien. Le chien. Bien. Rien. Aille. Le rail. La médaille. Travailler. La paille. So you see here it is not giving the sound y, it is I. Le rail, la médaille, travailler, la paille, la paille. Œil, E-I-double-L-E or E-I-L. Both of them, they give the sound œil. Le soleil, l'abeille, la bouteille, le sommeil. This one also, it gives the sound œil. A little bit deeper. Œil. Œil. Le fauteuil. Fauteuil. La feuille. Le portefeuille. l'écureuil, le seuil, sillon. The sound is sillon, sillon. Attention. Alors, we have seen this letter before. A, the letter A, it gives the sound A. En, it gives the sound on. We have seen before. Attention, attention. La pollution, la pollution. The sound of the letter U we have seen before. La pollution, pollution, pollution. La permission, permission. L'inversion, l'inversion. La précaution, la précaution. The sound se or si. Les sciences. Descendre. Sometimes in the beginning, students, they start pronouncing that letter k as well. Like instead of saying science, they make one weird sound, science, or maybe descendre. No, it doesn't give that sound. SCE, it gives the sound s. Les sciences. Descendre. Ce sound, remember, the sound en is on, so descend, descendre. La descente, la scie, le scientifique. The sound QUE is que, le scientifique. Alors, voilà, je vous laisse maintenant. Merci pour regarder la vidéo. We finish here. Thanks for watching the video. Bonne journée. Au revoir.